Lean project management is an example of a process-based project management methodology. Understanding the principles and processes of a project management methodology is key to choosing the right one for your team. In this video, we'll cover the origins of lean project management, its key principles, and the advantages and disadvantages of using it to manage your project. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what lean means. As you can probably guess from its name, lean project management is all about reducing waste and trimming the excess from your project management processes down to the essentials. The Project Management Institute defines lean as to provide what is needed, when it is needed, with the minimum amount of materials, equipment, labor, and space. Lean identifies 3 kinds of waste that adopters should be mindful of. These are Muda, which refers to activities that consume resources without providing value. Muri, which is the overuse of equipment or employees. And Mura, which means overburden and refers to when tools or people are overused and burnt out as a result. As a lean team, your objective is to cut out as much of these types of waste as possible. So now you're familiar with what lean means, let's talk about how the concept came about. The origins of lean lie in manufacturing. Its principles were first developed in the 1950s by car manufacturer Toyota, who recognized that with a few simple innovations, they could provide more continuity and efficiency to their manufacturing process. Toyota shifted their focus from individual machines to the overall flow of production and was able to achieve higher quality at a lower cost and quicker pace. The term lean was not coined until the 1980s, when a research team at MIT's International Motor Vehicle Program used it to describe the processes that Toyota used. They used the word lean because these Japanese business methods used less manpower, less capital, less floor space, less materials, and less time to achieve success. The leader of the MIT research team, Dr. James Womack, along with co-author Daniel T. Jones, went on to write a book on lean, where he further consolidated these processes into 5 key principles. Let's take a look at what each of the 5 lean principles means in context. 1. Specify value. The value of your final result to your customer should always be front of mind when managing a project. When using lean, your team should be aware of what your customers want and how they want to get it. 2. Map the value stream. A value stream map is a way of visualizing the entire project process from start to finish. Once this has been completed, it can be analyzed for waste, such as unnecessary activities or additions that do not add value to your customer. 3. Create flow. Once you have removed the waste from your value stream, it's time to ensure that your remaining project process runs smoothly. Reconfiguring your process with an improvement plan can ensure that your project's future is a success. 4. Establish pull. The ideal scenario for a lean team is to move the project forward or create the product when requested by the customer. Getting as close to this model as possible means less inventory waste for lean teams and a smoother flow between process stages. And finally, 5. Pursue perfection. Continuous improvement and striving towards a perfect process is the ultimate goal for lean teams. You should continuously assess what is and is not working for your lean project and adjust accordingly. So now you're familiar with the ins and outs of how lean project management works. But how can you tell if it's the best methodology for your project? Let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of lean project management. The potential benefits of using lean are many. They include reduced lead times, reduced costs, improved efficiency, and higher customer satisfaction. Sounds great, right? But what are some of the disadvantages associated with lean project management? Following a lean model means having low levels of inventory and capital. While this sounds good in theory, it can mean a high level of risk and can lead to issues if your project runs into roadblocks. Another challenge of using lean is that there is minimal scope for mistakes, as there is little to no excess to cushion the blow of a wrong turn. And finally, short lead times and a focus on efficiency over everything can lead to high levels of pressure on your team members and potentially lower quality results. If you decide that lean project management is the way forward for your team, Wrike can help. An all-in-one work management platform like Wrike can help teams to streamline their workflows and achieve success faster and more efficiently than ever before. Centralized communication, automated task assignments and updates, and over 400 app integrations allow your team to lean into lean processes. Check out our other videos to learn more about project management and drive better results for your business.